outstanding design defines the 2020 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.